Hi, this is Matt with Grand Ventures. We're out in Galveston, Texas, here at the Rainforest Cafe, and they have a river adventure ride. We're gonna take a ride on that and show you, and we hope you join us on this adventure. And as you can see, you got the Rainforest Cafe logo, and it's got a bunch of waterfalls around it. And right next door, here is the Rainforest River Adventure Ride. And it says here, please purchase your tickets inside. So we're gonna go inside here in a moment and ride this ride. And we are walking inside. This is really cool looking. There's like a waterfall with a lagoon. They got a lot of loud music, that's why I'm talking kind of loud. But yeah, I haven't been to a Rainforest Cafe in years, but this location looks really cool, and I think it's the only one that has a river adventure ride. And they got like a pyramid back there, and this waterfall is really cool. Okay, we're making our way inside. Okay, and Rainforest Cafe is pretty well known. They have a restaurant and a gift shop. We're just gonna do the river adventure, maybe explore the gift shop a little bit. And they have some of the signature stuff at these locations. They got a big, beautiful fish tank. Interesting fish. And I like that they got this tunnel over with another one. And back in here, you got this cheeky snake right here. Hey, buddy. Oh, they got a talking tree.
Hey guys, this looks like Tracy.
Tracy the talking tree.
She just woke up.
Hi, Tracy.
I was messing with its eyes and stuff like this, and it popped open. Yeah, see?
Are you hungry? We have great food. Did you know that our rainforest has its very own sparkling volcano? It's so big, the whole family can share it. Yum, yum.
Okay, we've paid our admission and we are en route to the river adventure ride. Here we go. Are you guys excited?
Yes. Somebody might need to hold my hand and hug me.
Oh, and this is really cool. They got some theme music. It almost looks like inside a lost temple lies treasures untold, but tomorrow can conquer the river god's hold. Riches upon riches. It's hard to read. Okay, here we go. And look, we're met by a toucan and a frog there. Hi there.
Hello. Y'all go ahead. Just watch your step go.
Okay. Here's our boat that we're getting in.
This looks cool. It reminds me of the what's the blue guy is in Disney?
Oh, the Avatar.
Yeah, that's what it reminds me of.
Okay, here we go. Look at this. We're on the water. Oh, this is so cool. There's parrots and stuff. Looks like some ancient ruins over here. Oh, looks like an ancient tiki. Oh, look, there's a projection of a monkey. Oh, look at this guy. Look at the big iguana. Oh yeah, look at it's like an ancient pyramid. The cheetahs are moving. Oh, there's all sorts of cool wildlife on the side here, and we're spinning around pretty good. It's like an ancient, and it's an ancient temple.
Yeah.
Oh, look at, he's got like a blowgun.
Oh, he's gonna dart with it.
There's like a leopard over there.
Oh, look at that guy.
Oh, look at the big iguana. That's like your iguana friend. And there's a big, like a omak.
Oh,
Oh, look at the little monkeys on top.
Look at the monkey.
Oh yeah.
Maxwell.
Maxwell the monkey's up here. Swinging around. Isn't that cute? Okay, the river rapids are getting more and more intense.
Oh, look at the eyes, the crazy eyes.
Oh yeah. Oh. This is really well done in here.
Oh man.
Oh, there's a massive snake. Look at him. He's staring right at us. Oh my goodness, he's gonna get us. Oh, the snake. Oh. Oh, look at the baby monkey. Oh, hey, look at there's a massive giraffe right here. There's Harambe. Oh yeah, look at the big crocodile.
Oh, is he gonna snap at us?
Look at him. Hey, buddy. Oh, he opens it. There's two of them. They open their. Oh, there's three.
I was waiting for something to happen.
Oh, there's a giant frog. And then there's elephants next to us. Look at these big guys. Oh my goodness, those are so cool. Oh, look like that one's missing some of his tusks. Oh, but there's a rhinoceros back there. Hi, elephants. Oh yeah, look at the baby elephant. Oh, and hey, look at the cute tortoise up here.
Look at the butterfly. Evie, look at the butterfly.
Oh, I hear a tiger behind us.
Oh God.
What's up, buddy?
Oh God.
Look, right behind you, there's a tiger. There's the ancient temple we're going underneath. There's the spider.
Start back up.
Oh, look, there's snakes look at the snake in the pot. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, we're in the ancient temple. Look at that.
Oh, look.
Oh wow. There's a big snake up there. Oh, and there's a skeleton. Oh, here we go. Lots of treasure at the end here and skeletons. Look at all this. Look at all the skeletons behind you there.
Big spider web.
We made it to the end. Look, guys.
You made it.
You made it. Oh, we're back up. Whee! And we're making our way back down. We made it back into the gift shop. We just rode the river adventure. What'd you think?
It was really fun. I'm not sure if it's necessarily worth $10 a person. That's a pretty hefty price. Lasted maybe about 5 minutes or so, but it's a a one-time thing. That's all you need, and I thought it was cool.
Nice. What did you think, Haylie?
Definitely not worth $10 a person, but it was really cool for what it was. I like that you did not get wet because I'm not a huge fan of getting wet on rides. But yeah, I thought it was cool. You get to see a lot of animals.
Nice. What do you think, Holden?
It was cool. I think it would have been worth it if you did get wet, but I liked it.
Nice. What did you think, Everly?
I didn't like it that much. How how the animatronics move was like scary.
It was scary?
Yeah, they like move like in weird ways.
Okay.
And it was like a lot of scary animals.
We are rarely in Galveston. This is our only time that we've actually been here, and I figured since we're here, might as well check something off the list. This is the only one nationwide that actually has a river adventure ride, so I'm glad we can say we did it. It is a little on the high end as far as price. It was $54 after tax for all of us to go through, and it's like a 10-minute attraction. Either way, I had a good time. I thought it was fun. These are fun destinations for the gift shops and the meal and everything. The last one we went to was the T-Rex one in Disney Springs. But hey, we did it. Checked off the list. Had a great time nonetheless. So if you like this type of content, give us a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please do. And make sure you smash that bell. That way you can join us on our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye. Evie, don't throw stuff at it.